everyone, welcome back to Homebody. I am Felisa, your host for this beautiful video. I am in our living room and this is my winter refresh. For the winter, I pulled out my go-to color, which is teal, but it's a dark teal, which is also called cerulean, like a cerulean blue, but it's actually like a really dark teal. Let's start with the coffee table since I'm standing right in front of it. So let's move in. So the picks that you see here are from Z Gallery, and I actually purchased those last year. My vases, all three, are also from Z Gallery. I've had them for quite some time, but they are still in stock. I know for sure the bigger, this one and this one is in stock. I'm not sure about the smaller bowl. I'm going to place a link down below to the vases. My candle is from Amazon and the candle holder is from Bath and Body Works. Coffee table, you can either get it from Amazon, Wayfair, Bed Bath & Beyond. I'll place a link down below to the Amazon purchase. So yes, so that is the styling of the coffee table. Let's move on to the curtains. So my drapes are 2-page drapes, but you can actually get your hands on these drapes from Amazon. We'll place a link down to some drapes just as beautiful as these. My wingback chair, you can get it from Wayfair. I'll place a link down below to that. My crock pillow here, it may be in stock and you can get this from Z Gallery as well. If it is, I will place a link down below to that. The throw is also in the pillows, also from Z Gallery. I know you can probably still get this throw here, but the pillow I haven't seen in a while. And the pillows on the end, I also haven't seen in a very long time. If you take a look at this throw has the same fabric as this beautiful pillow here. I love it. I just wish I would have gotten 2 of the pillows. I only picked up 1. But these are those Z Gallery exclusive pillows. They come in pink, purple, you know, off-white, gold, black, and things like that. So let's move up to the wall art. This wall art is from Home Goods. I've had it for about 5 or 6 years, maybe even longer. I just pulled it out my she shed because I wanted to do a different color in this space, which I haven't done this color in a very long time in this space. My wall sconces are from Z Gallery. My lamps are from Home Goods. Moving over on this side, my mirror is from Rooms to Go. I'll place a link down to Rooms to Go. You can shop them online and order as well. The little vases on the side, I think these vases are from Burlington. Do not quote me on that because I've had them for quite some time. My books was gifted to me from a young lady over on Instagram. I'll try to place a link down below to her shop. And my fireplace, this is a tall, slim fireplace. It's actually from Wayfair. My 3 vase sets here, they're from Z Gallery. Then I have a little mini ellipse vase that you see here. That's from Z Gallery. I've been getting some horrible weather here in Houston. No sunshine at all. So I'm like, I just give up. I'm going to go ahead and do the video without the sun being out. Let's pan on around to my entryway. So the wall art is also from Z Gallery. I've had that for several years. I just very seldomly use it. My vases that you see on my entryway table, the larger vase is from Z Gallery. The smaller vases are from Burlington. Don't sleep on Burlington, guys. Burlington and Ross, you can find some beautiful decor items, you know, some Z Gallery dupes, high fashion home dupes, and things like that. The decorative object at the bottom is actually from Home Goods. Both of my rugs, my area rug and my runner, is from Amazon. The stand is from Home Goods. It's like a metallic silver stand. This is a chain link vase. It's from CB2. And these are those famous Hobby Lobby flowers that comes in multiple colors. I love these. These are from Hobby Lobby. I've had them for several years. So the last thing that I always forget to talk about is my pendant light. I love my pendant light. It's from Maxim/E2 Lighting. I very seldomly turned it on. I like it more without the lights, but you can get your hands on this from Amazon. I will place a link down below to it just in case you're interested. It comes in a small, and this is a small one. It comes in a bigger size as well if you have a bigger space. I hope that this video inspired you guys and you enjoyed it, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.
I think I might be over my troubles since you came around. Something struck me. Oh, lately I've been caught up in my mind. Oh, it's not hard to see why I was feeling down. You saw right through it all. Oh, I could not fake it, no matter how I tried. Ooh, you cured my aching heart when you came around. I saw a million signs. I must be over it by now. There's a reason why. I think I might